How to add a photo over a video in CapCut. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a photo over a video in CapCut. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open your CapCut editor once it is opened, and then tap on the New Project button to start a new project. And you will see this screen over your phone. Next, import the video that you want to edit and add the image to. Once the video is in your timeline, it's time to add a picture. Tap on the Overlay button at the bottom of the screen, then tap on Add Overlay. This will open your photo gallery, where you can choose the image you want to add. Now, tap on the image and press Add in the bottom right corner. Your picture will now appear in the timeline. You can adjust the image by zooming in or out, moving it around, and adjusting when it will appear by dragging it along the timeline. You can repeat these steps and add as many pictures as you like. That's all for the video. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.